Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the 14th video in sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this video, we will see how to use bend taper feature in sheet metal designing. So let's get started. Here one sheet metal object for application of bend taper feature. This feature will add a taper to one or both sides of sheet metal features. Bend taper feature is located in Home tab in corner group. So click on Bend taper. To use this feature, first we have to select a stationary face or edge, and then we have to select a bend face. So here we select this face as a stationary face and select this bend face. Taper properties pane contains the option for which side to be tapered. In taper side, both is selected. It allows to define the parameters of each taper separately in subsequent panes. Side 1 and side 2 allows to define parameters of label side taper, and symmetric applies the taper both sides with the same parameters. Taper definition pane contains bend and web group. In bend group, taper drop-downs defines the transition on bend face. Linear simply tapers the faces, and in linear option, input method is available. We can select here angle or distance for the tapered face. Tangent applies a blend tangent to the tapered adjacent faces. Here we can see that. When we select here tangent, infer radius is enabled. If we disable this, then we can add the radius by manually to the blend faces. Square simply creates a step of taper distance to adjacent faces. We can change the distance using this parameter. Using web, we can apply the taper to web. Here we have two options, face and face chain, and we have to enter a taper angle. In bend group, we select here linear, and in input method, we select here angle. Here we enter 20. In web group taper angle, also enter 20. Click on OK to apply this feature. In previous operation, we have seen taper from bend option. In this, we will see taper from web option. So tick mark this and select this face and select this bend. So here the taper will be start from the web. Click on OK to apply this feature. So this is how we can use bend taper feature in sheet metal designing. In next few videos, we will see tutorials on sheet metal designing. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.